Drowning love drama. Natsume Mochizuki was a magazine model in Tokyo, but she moves to the rural town of the Yogi Mocho. The Mochizuki feel depressed about living in the boring countryside. She meets the Kochiru Hasegawa, a member of the locally prominent family of the Shinto priest, and get caught in an intense attraction. It's an epic love story that intensely and beautifully depicts the feeling of the omnipotence and the frustration that comes with being a teenager, but really will give you the feeling of the real young love. The next drama is the drama Michusa Kimini. The Ayachi Miyushi is one quirky high school student who enjoys doing fun things that don't always quite make sense. Despite being hard to pin down, his mysterious charm never failed to draw others to him. In order to finance his activity, he sometimes helps out his parents' restaurant, allowing him to continue living by his motto. And his motto of the life was, "It's comfortable to have enough free time to waste." But the thing changes with the time, and what she experienced Gohan was this beautiful and the entertaining drama. The next drama is the switched drama. The Shunpi Kaga, Koshihiro Mizumoto, and Ayumi Kohinata have been close friends since they were children. The Koshihara Mizumoto confesses feeling for the popular Ayumi Kohinata, and their relationship develops romantically. On the day of their first date, the Ayumi Kohinata and her unpopular classmate Zenko Yumini suddenly changes the bodies. The Ayumi Kohinata is devastated and nobody believes in her except for the Shunpi Kaga who believes in her. The Ayumi Kohinata looks for the way to get her body back, but the unpopular classmate doesn't want to go back because her life was a miserable life. Gohan was this beautiful friendship love story and also the life drama. The next drama is the Horimiya drama. It tells the story of the two very different people. The one is an academically successful schoolgirl and the another is a quiet loser schoolboy. They met each other, develop a friendship, and then their friendship develops into a relationship, and then they fell into the intense love which is a love forever. The next high school drama is the Hiron Shikaku. The Matsuzaki Hatoru is a high school student with a crush on her childhood friend Terasaka Rita. She believes her life is like a shoujo manga and Rita will eventually choose her as his heroine. However, the Rita begins dating Adachi Mihu, her nerdy girl in their classroom. Even though the Rita has dated before, the Hatoru can tell that the Rita really likes the Miho, and is the first time the Hatoru has felt threatened by a girl the Rita likes. Because of the Hataru's jealousy, the most popular playboy student Hiromitsu Kosuke takes an interest in her. And then the game of the love, the game of the jealousy, the game of the relationship start here with a school drama. The next drama is the Nobuta wa Produce. The Shuji is one of the most popular guy in school. He tries to avoid the Akira because of his constant irritated behavior. But the Shuji is not just like that. One day suddenly he sees a girl emerge from behind the stone where the tree once stood up. He is afraid and terrified and runs away. The next day at school he sees the same girl and the girl turns out to be the new student in his class. She is bullied by the mean girls, especially the Bando. The Suji and the Akira then try and decide to produce the girl. They produce the girl and name the girl Nobuta, and then she become the most popular girl in the school, and then she stop everything in this school. The next drama is the Orange drama. The Naho Takemiya is a second year high school student. During the spring, the Naho Takemiya receives a letter sent by herself from the 10 year in the future. In the letter, she liked transferred student Kakeru Naruse, and the Kakeru Naruse carried the emotional scars from his mother's suicide and he died 1 year later. 26-year-old Naho Takemiya thinks about the Kakeru Naruse orphaned. And now the Naho Takemiya, who has the knowledge of her futures of 10 years, she takes the action according to change the future, and there she gets involved in the relationship, in the family drama, in the school drama and everything. The next drama is the Myronovich drama. The Kinoshita Myru is an unpopular high school student who thinks she is ugly and plain. She is quickly transformed into the cute girl by the handsome and a cool boy whose name is Kumara Tenyu. She will reach and search for the real love while using her inner strength to change herself. Gohan was this beautiful and which will give you the really good feeling after watching this beautiful romantic drama. The next drama is I Am in Love with a Monster drama. The Mizutani Shizuku is a girl who is self-absorbed and only thinks about good grades. The Oshidaharu is an impulsive short-tempered boy who scares everyone with his violence. Oshidaharu gets suspended on the first day of his school when he gets involved in the fight. The duty of delivering the school material to the suspended Yoshida is given to the Mizutani, and in this process the both develop the feeling for each other, and then they both begins to changes differently for each other, and they experience the love, they experience the feeling which they both never experienced in their life. Go and watch this beautiful comedy, funny, romantic and the school drama.